Oppo Find X8 Ultra versus Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Welcome back to TechSpace. Today we're diving into a thrilling showdown between the Oppo Find X8 Ultra and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. These two flagship phones are packed with features that could redefine your smartphone experience. But which one truly stands out? Let's find out. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra boasts a stunning quad-camera setup, featuring a 50 MP wide lens and impressive optical zoom capabilities with dual telephoto lenses. This allows for incredible versatility in photography, whether you're capturing distant subjects or wide landscapes. In contrast, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with a 50 MP wide lens and a 48 MP periscope telephoto lens, offering 5 times optical zoom. This setup excels in delivering vibrant colors and sharp details, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Which camera will capture your best moments? Only time will tell. Under the hood, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, offering a blistering performance with its octa-core CPU configuration. This means smoother multitasking and faster app launches. Meanwhile, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL runs on the Google Tensor G4, designed specifically for AI and machine learning tasks, enhancing your everyday smartphone experience. Will raw power or smart processing win this round? When it comes to display resolution, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra features a jaw-dropping 1440 by 3168 pixels, resulting in vibrant visuals and sharp details that pop off the screen. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, on the other hand, offers a resolution of 1344 by 2992 pixels, which still delivers an impressive viewing experience. The question is, do you prefer the ultra-high definition of the Oppo or the balanced clarity of the Pixel? The Oppo Find X8 Ultra presents a larger 6.82-inch display, making it perfect for media consumption and gaming. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, slightly smaller at 6.8 inches, still provides a comfortable viewing experience. If you're into larger screens for your content, the Oppo might just be your pick. In performance benchmarks, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra dominates with an Antutu score of 3,109,044, showcasing its superior processing power. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, while respectable at 1,380,138, still lags behind. For gamers and power users, the Oppo's performance may be a decisive factor. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra utilizes the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite, manufactured with a 3nm process for enhanced efficiency and power. In comparison, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL's Tensor G4, built on a 4nm process, emphasizes AI capabilities. Will you choose raw performance or intelligent processing? Battery life is crucial, and the Oppo Find X8 Ultra shines with a massive 6100 mAh battery, ensuring you can go all day without a charge. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, with a 50-60 mAh battery, still offers decent longevity, but may require more frequent charging. If endurance is your priority, the Oppo takes the lead. For selfies, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra features a 32 MP camera, perfect for capturing sharp and detailed self-portraits. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL ups the ante with a 42 MP ultrawide selfie lens, allowing for group shots without missing anyone. Which one will elevate your social media game? When it comes to storage, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra offers multiple options, including a whopping 1TB variant, perfect for those who need ample space for apps and media. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL provides up to 512 GB, which is still substantial, but may not satisfy heavy users. Are you a storage hog or a minimalist? Finally, let's talk price. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra ranges from $880 to $1,500, depending on the configuration, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL starts at $1,099. With such a price range, which phone offers the best value for your hard-earned cash? So which flagship reigns supreme, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra or the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL? Each has its strengths, catering to different types of users. Let us know in the comments which one you choose and why. don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons right here on TechSpace.